If you ever wanted to send out regular snail mail, then this is it. I have actually heard of this company years ago, and they've been doing this a very long time. And I decided it's about time for me to do a video about it so I can share it with you guys. If you've ever been thinking about, okay, I would love to have it so that I automatically have certain or not just emails with GoHighLevel. Now you can automate the postcards and letters out to your customers or potential customers. There are demo videos. I'm going to put my link below this video here so you can show you some of the demos here on how it works. There's a featured tour and you can actually put in handwritten looking fonts in here for the letters. And they have, especially for you real estate people, have special designs already implementing ready to go. And you can put in a radius search here. You can upload your own mailing list. And basically it also will integrate with HighLevel, is why I'm sharing this video with you. So if you want help in integrating that with your GoHighLevel account, then all you need to do is click the link below this video, sign up for a thanks.io account, and I'll take care of all the scary technical parts here. But they have so many great templates already built for real estate agents as well, or different industries. So but especially for the real estate industry. And so once you sign up with my link, go ahead and message me directly and we'll get you all connected and ready to go with your brand, your colors, your logo. We'll get it all set up and ready to go. So all you have to do is import your leads inside a HighLevel. We'll have an automatic trigger when they go into a certain automation and you don't have to think about it. All the emails or follow-ups and not just emails, postcards will be triggered and send it to them so that you can make sure that they are welcomed. Maybe a happy birthday cards, any like thank yous and follow-ups that you want to send. It's so awesome. I love it. So thanks for watching this video. And I hope you implement this into your marketing for your own small business, or if you're an agency in HighLevel and you need help and support, or you're just using it for your business, let's just go. Sign up right now. Talk to you soon.